With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here our question is: a container of volume 2 liter is separated into equal compartments. In one compartment, 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic, the gas is monoatomic, gas is filled at 1 bar pressure and the other compartment is completely evacuated. A pinhole is made in the separator so gas expands to occupy full 2 liter and the heat is supplied to the gas so that final pressure of the gas is equals to 1 bar. Then we need to find out the internal energy and the enthalpy. Okay, enthalpy change and internal energy change. So this is the representation of the case given. Okay, so here according to the given situation, your initial volume will be equals to 1 liter. Okay, and initial pressure is 1 bar and mole of gas, moles of monatomic gas is 1 mole. Okay, and we need to use the value of universal gas constant as 0.083 liter bar mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Okay, now by using the gas is almost ideal, so here by ideal gas equation PV is equals to nRT, we will calculate the initial temperature. So the initial temperature will be equals to PV upon nR, P initial, V initial upon nR. So P is here 1 bar, volume initial is 1 liter divided by moles is 1 and 0.083. This will be your value of universal gas constant. By solving this, you will get the approximate value of temperature, that is equals to 12 Kelvin. Okay. Similarly, for the second case, finally what is happening? Finally, the final volume is becoming 2 liter. Pressure is remaining same, that is 1 bar pressure. Mole of the gas is remaining same, that is 1 mole. Okay. So here the final temperature would be equals to again PV final upon nR. Okay, so pressure is 1, V final is 2 liter, moles are 1 and the value of universal gas constant will be again 0.083. So it will be equals to 24 Kelvin. Okay, so we got the value of your initial temperature and your final temperature. Okay, now see how we will solve. We know that delta H is equals to NCP delta T, right? And delta U, that is internal energy, is equals to NCV delta T. Here Cp is the specific heat at constant pressure and Cv is the specific heat at constant volume. So delta H will be equals to moles of gas are 1, Cp for monoatomic gas, C, monoatomic gas, right? So for monoatomic gas, Cp is equals to 5 by 2R. Okay, and Cv is equals to 3 by 2R. This is the values of Cp and Cv at constant. Cp is the constant specific heat at constant pressure and Cv is the specific heat at constant volume, and for monatomic gases their values are this. Okay, so here Cp will be equals to 5 by 2R into delta T is the final temperature minus initial temperature. So when you solve this by putting all the values, it will be equals to 5 by 2. R here we will use 8.314 because we need to find our answer in joules. Here final temperature is 24, initial was 12. So by solving this, you will get the value of delta H which will be equals to 249.42. You can according to the given option, no one option contain 249.42, so you can nearly write it as 250 joules. Okay, this will be your answer. And when you calculate the value of internal energy, it will be 1 into 3 by 2R into 12. Okay, that is final temperature minus initial temperature. So here it will be equals to 1.5 into 8.314 into 12. Okay, so by solving this, you will get the value of internal energy, that would be equals to 149.65, which is nearly equals to 150 joules. Okay, so here the value of delta H is 250 and value of delta U is 150. So which one is incorrect? Because here the values of delta U and delta H are not equal. Delta U we have calculated is 150 joules and delta H we have calculated is 250 joules. Okay, delta H is 250 joules, yes. Delta U is 100 joule, no. Delta U and delta H is equals to 0, no. Okay, because here delta U will be 0 only when isothermal condition is present. Okay, so here your correct answer will be option B. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.